Hey, it's Dan from the Boom Breakfast with my buddy Ben here, and he's doing some stuff for the OSPCA. Before we get into your Fill the Truck fundraiser that you did last year that we're doing again this year,
that's right.
We were able last year to help get some pets adopted, and in studio special today, something that you can pick up for adoption. It is a very rare breed. We call it the Bill Holman.
He's a Leaf fan too. This one's for you. By the way, this is a fantastic fundraiser. We're at 812 Pitt Street, which is just south of 9th, around where Marrow and Spice are. And Ben here from Weeby Deliveries has put together a great fundraiser where you can come out, you can give cash, you can make a donation of pet food, or maybe some cleaning supplies to help out the OSPCA here in Cornwall and area. And as well, I'm assuming, Ben, there might be a couple of pets there, a couple of kittens, maybe some puppies.
If the weather's permitting, we're going to be having some cats and some kittens out there, and puppy dogs possibly, like we did last year. And last year, with all your help, we got them all adopted, and we raised over 1,400 pounds in product, and over $300 in cash. So this year we've added we'll pick up from an office if you need it. If your office wants to collect, we'll pick it up. So just call us at 613-363-5389, and we'll send somebody to take it from your home or office.
Cash and food, right?
Cash and food.
That's what we're looking for?
You betcha.
All this Thursday.
And remember, he is potty trained and house trained, so he will be available on Thursday.